Using a dorm room checklist, furniture and supplies. Make sure you have all your dorm room stuff. You've made it into college. Your dorm room is about to become your home away from home. You will need 1,001 items and you'll need to fit them into a small space. Plan on using closet space and space under the bed as efficiently as you can. Coordinate with your roommate ahead of time so that you don't duplicate shared items like refrigerators or area rugs. Before you assemble your pile of dorm room stuff and other furnishings, contact the housing office at your school and get the dimensions of the room, closet, and windows. Ask what dorm room furniture comes with it and if the rooms are wired for internet access. Ask whether there's overhead lighting or bookshelves, and find out if you are permitted to mount shelves and other items on the walls. This list should help you get outfitted with the basics and other dorm room accessories. Make a printout, plan which stores you need to go to, and check things off the list as you buy them. Consider checking things off a second time as you load them into your vehicle. Good luck gathering these dorm room essentials and happy packing. Here's how to use a dorm room checklist. Desk supplies, pens, pencils, highlighters, and erasers, whiteout stapler and staple remover, ruler, scissors, paper clips, rubber bands, post-its, calculator, push pins, stationery, stamps, greeting cards, good quality bond paper and matching envelopes, dictionary, calendar, hole punch, printer, paper, phone line if needed. Notebooks, address book, extra printer cartridges too. Laundry, shower, linens, laundry bag, detergent, bleach, stain remover, and dryer sheets, basket to carry toiletries into the bathroom, flip-flops for shower sheets, comforter, pillows, cotton padding or other cover for mattress, towels and washcloths. 3. Toiletries, soap, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, toothbrush, floss, lotion, deodorant, brush and comb, razor, hair gel / mousse. 4. For snacking, miniature refrigerator, microwave, mug, glass, plate, bowls, utensils, dish soap and scrubbing pad, can opener, paper towels, trash bags, your favorite snack foods. 5. Lamps, desk lamp, floor lamp if the room doesn't have overhead lighting, lamp for your nightstand or a clip-on lamp for the headboard. 6. Hardware and storage, screwdriver and small hammer, small nails, if allowed, Swiss Army knife, hooks of all sizes for the walls and doors, power strip / surge protector, extension cords, duct tape, shelves and brackets, if permitted, bookshelves if there is room. Consider a bookshelf on top of the desk if it doesn't already have one. closet organizer, hangers, underbed storage boxes, shelf and drawer liners, curtains and curtain hardware, light bulbs, storage containers of various sizes, storage rack for CDs, milk crate. 7. First aid box, Band-Aids, antibiotic ointment, tweezers, bandage tape and gauze pads, hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol, thermometer, Tylenol, ibuprofen, Benadryl, aspirin, cough drops, sore throat drops, Pepto-Bismol, ace bandage, freezable ice packet. Paperwork and important documents, driver's license, social security card, health insurance information. 9. Miscellaneous shoe bags, one in closet for shoes, and one to mount on wall or side of dresser to use for holding things you need to grab often, like your brush and comb, makeup, deodorant, etc. Removable adhesive for hanging posters. Wall decorations, photos of family and friends, area rug, doormat, cork, bulletin board, small dry erase board, waste paper basket, mirror, small fan, sewing kit, safety pins, flashlight, batteries, string, broom and slash or dust buster, alarm clock, camera, hair dryer, phone. This list should cover all the necessary items for your dorm room. Good luck shopping for all of these dorm supplies.